Oh, that crack.
I can smell it from here.
Oh, bro, it smells amazing.
That smells so good. That smells like a lolly. I had high expectations for this one.
Oh, bro.
Is that a Red Bull beater?
Red Bull beater?
Oh, that smells so good.
Oh, is it a Red Bull beater? I don't know.
That's its own drink. That's so good.
Yeah, it's got a bit of a bit of a tangy aftertaste, which I don't know if it'll beat the Red Bull for that.
Yeah,
aftertaste.
The aftertaste, but that flavour its own is quite tasty. What's it taste like? More strawberry than watermelon, but
definitely strawberry to start with, and then watermelon.